Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to forward your email, your Bluehost email to another account. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Bluehost account, then go to email, scroll down a little bit, then click on internal forwarding. As you see, till now I have no internal forwarding accounts created. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. As you see, till now I have no internal forwarding accounts created. So click on this create an internal forwarding account button. And here fill in your Bluehost email address that you want to forward mails from. For example, this is an email account that I have, and below it you will see forward to. Here type the email or the Bluehost email address that you want to forward to. Then click on create internal forwarding accounts. And this is how to forward emails from your Bluehost email to another account. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.